Hello everyone. If your computer is getting old and getting slower than before, then you need to reinstall the Windows operation system. Now here I have an old laptop computer come from my friend, and he asked me to help him to reinstall the operation system. Now I got the computer here, and I also got one USB driver. Now I want to show you how to reinstall the system, operation system. For I want to install this device to here, USB, and I put the power on, restarting. Now we can show here, and this automatic running. By the way, my name is Jack Chang and stay in China. If you want to reinstall the computer operation system, I can help you. I can through the internet to use my USB device, USB Windows reinstall system to help you no matter where you are. I can help you to install the operation system. Now here, we can see that here. Normally we'll install the system in the C drive. And here we can choose which version we want to install. Normally this is an quite old computer. The memory only 4 GB. So I want to use Win 7 32 degrees digital. Now I chose the C drive and click start to install. Now he asks you every data in the C drive will be deleted. So he asks you to confirm. Now I confirm. Until now everything's going well. Okay, took this off. This must took off. Okay, here's now to install some driver. So that means the new Windows system already installed completely. I'm Jack Chen here in China. If you want to install your computer or laptop, install a new system, just let me know.